Hi friends, so today is Tuesday and we are going to practice making picture graphs. So today I would like you to use this paper to follow along with me. So let's go ahead and read. It says, Delia made the table at the right. She used it to record the places the third grade classes would like to go during a field trip. How can you show the data in a picture graph? So here is the data that they gave us. So it says the title of the graph is called Field Trip Choices. So in here, there are some places. We've got the museum, the science center, the aquarium, and the zoo. And then here are the numbers on the side. We have 6, 15, 12, and 9. So it says, step 1, write the title at the top of the picture graph. Write the name of a place in each row. So why do we think it's important to make a title for our graph? Well, I think it's important to make a title for our graph so we know what the graph is going to be about. If you don't put a title, you don't even know what this graph is going to be about. So the title of this graph is called Field Trip Choices. And where did I get the title of this graph? Well, if I look, it matches here my data table, Field Trip Choices. Now, so we wrote the title at the top of the graph, so I'm going to put a little check mark so I know that I did that. Now, it also says write the name of a place in each row. So each of these rows is going to have a place. Well, they already did the museum for us. So let's go down. We're going to write the Science Center. We're going to write aquarium. And then we're going to write zoo. So these are the 4 places: the museum, the science center, the aquarium, and the zoo. So we already started making our picture graph. So make sure, just a reminder, when you're making your picture graph, that you are writing the title and you are writing the other part of the graph, which here would be the places. So now it says, step 2, look at the numbers in the table. So these are the numbers we're going to look at: 6, 15, 12, and 9. Choose a picture for the key and tell how many students each picture represents. Write the key at the bottom of the graph. So, does it matter what picture we choose for our picture graph? No, it doesn't matter as long as it's something that's simple and easy to draw just for your sake. Now, I can choose whatever I would like to draw. But before I do that, I have to come up with a key. Now, could I count by ones? I mean, I could, but that would take a lot of time to draw out 15 whatever we're drawing, right? So there's not a lot of room for 15. So if I look at my numbers, I'm going to start small. I'm going to see, okay, will 2 work? I don't know about 2. What about 3? 3, 6, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 3, 6, 9, 12, 3, 6, 9. So could I count by 3s in my graph? Yes, so what I'm going to choose to do is I'm going to make smiley faces. And you can choose whatever you would like. But I'm going to say that each smiley face equals 3 students. So now I'm going to count museum. So there's 6 students in the museum. So let's see. 3, remember this counts for 3. 6, because we're counting by 3. So 3 plus 3 is 6. So there are my museum choices. Now I'm going down to the science center. We've got 15. Am I going to draw 15 circles? No, because I know that each smiley face equals 3 students. So I'm going to count by 3s. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. So there are 15 students that like the science center. Okay, now let's look at aquarium. There are 12 students for the aquarium, so let's count by 3s. 3, 6, 9, 12. There we go. We got the aquarium, and now we need to do the zoo. 3, 6, 9. So why do you think 3 was a good choice for my answer key? Well, I think that 3 was a good choice because when I count by 3s, each of these numbers are counting by 3s, right? If I would have picked 2, that would have been hard. I would have had to do a half circle or a half smiley face, and we talked about that. So let's go ahead and let's look at the bottom. The bottom says, how did you decide? Okay, so wait, we did step 3. So I did this, and then I did this. Draw the number of cracks. So this last part says, how did you decide how many pictures to draw? Well, I decided that for the Science Center, how many pictures did I draw? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to put there are 15 students that wanted to go to the Science Center and my key says each smiley face equals 3 students. I counted by 3s to 15. So if I count by 3s to 15, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. I drew 5 symbols. So remember, it doesn't matter what symbol that you are using. Make sure you can see this. It doesn't matter what symbol you are using, as long as it's something that's easy to draw, because we don't want to spend a ton of time on that. So this is how you draw a picture graph, okay? And you can come up with whatever key you would like. So now today for independent work, you are going to go ahead and look at this picture graph. So it says, Jeremy pulled marbles from a bag one at a time, recorded their color, and then put them back. Make a picture graph of the data. So it already told you that you're going to use a circle, and each circle is going to equal 2. And so here are your choices, 4, 11, and 8. Now look at that number 11. Can I count by 2s to 11? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12? I can't do that, but I can count to 10 and then draw a half marble. So you're going to make your picture graph, and then you're going to answer questions 1 and 2. And remember, reach out to me if you need help. All right, friends, have a great day.